Welcome. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to archive a group on Messenger using your PC. Archiving a group chat can help you declutter your chat list while still keeping the conversation accessible for later. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to messenger.com. Once the page loads, log into your Messenger account if you haven't already. Step 2. From the home screen, direct your attention to the left menu. Locate and click on the Messenger option. This will open up a list of your recent chats and groups. Step 3. Now, focus on the left side of the screen, where your chats are displayed. Hover your cursor over the group conversation that you wish to archive. As you do this, a small menu will appear on the chat. Step 4. Look for and click on the 3-dot symbol that appears within the chat window. This will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing the chat. Step 5. Within the drop-down menu, select the Archive Chat option. By clicking on this, you will successfully archive the group chat, removing it from your main chat list. And there you have it. You have now learned how to archive a group chat on Messenger using your PC. Remember, archived chats can easily be accessed and restored in the future if needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.